On Saturday morning, Edale. Beautiful morning. Morning, Sean.
Morning, buddy, you alright?
Yeah, not so bad. And me and mate lad here, we're going to the Bushcraft show, aren't we? Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you can't beat it round here. Quite a lot turned up yesterday. Coming up way back. Was it warm? Right, I'll bring you back when we get to the show. That's Manchester. There's a lot here this time, Alfie. Well, the Bushcraft show. Here we are. We're going to have a look round, see what's happening. I think I've misread my ears, but I don't not bothered. It's, well, there we are. Come on. Well then, how are you doing?
Yeah, not bad.
What brings you down here?
Well, you know, same old.
Sometimes people mistake them for the RV.
I thought you were Jacob here, but is it...
You've gone to Wales, didn't you?
Yeah, it has, yeah.
Behind the stump there.
You bought me a ticket. You got me a ticket for you.
Oh, really, yeah.
Are you just down for the day?
Yeah, yeah, we're just coming today to see what it's like.
Can you hold this while I try and find it?
Leadership, tenacity, whatever buzzword they gave us, I use survival as the medium of building up teams and getting leadership going. Also, we run urban survival, which included self-defense, living, looking after your property, dealing with strangers, everything like this. And also, underprivileged kids used to come from real bad backgrounds.
On holes. Showing the holes.
Signing in the VIP tent up until around 1:30, then on the stage at 1:30 this afternoon.
How is it, Alfie?
Nice.
I'm glad there's something that you like.
Yeah, that's who Daddy always watches. That's it.
sadly, this is a realistic scenario. Wherever you go on the planet, you'll find rubbish. Go to like a remote tropical island and you'll find like 1 million plastic bottles. So, in this case, it's quite useful. So what we're going to look at doing is we're going to look at taking the particulates out of the water. So we're going to put various different materials in here, which I've got in my bag, and we'll go through as we go. And each layer will take out different particulates.
When it was and then
I can see it's very hot in here, so I hope you've all been drinking lots of water. I've never been to one of these shows, and for me it's a revelation to come here and to see so many people enjoying this subject, which I largely practice on my own in the woods. In September, I've got a book coming out. I'm not trying to plug it. I'm not, honestly I'm not. It's called Out on the Land, and hydrated, as you might be feeling now, pretty high. Stop and have a cup of tea. It's the British way of doing things. We built an empire on it. What she should have done, stopped, had a drink, marked her position. Got a few sticks.
Well, Alfie's all kitted out in his new bushcrafting gear. Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
Come on then, let's wander off. No, you just spent your £2.
yeah. Same again this time. Big pull for me. Big pull. Yeah, well done. I'm going for me, dude.
Come on then.
And then fetch your arrows in a minute.
We're back down here now at Bushcraft show. We're going to have a steady drive back to Edale. I've stopped longer than what I expected actually, and spent a lot more than what I expected. I think it'll take me about an hour and a half to get back to Edale. It was a lovely day. I bought another knife, some pans, kitted like that. You enjoyed it, lad? Yeah. Good. So, I'll see you when we get back to Edale.
An address off him. I'm going to send you a little parcel. Would that be good? Would that be okay? Yeah. I'll send you a little parcel. Yeah? Yeah. Are we happy?
Well, the sun's gone down in Edale. Might be Ginger Bushcraft. Flat broke Frank here. A Cornish knives, the 2 mics. I've just kitted my little lad out with with a bag, brand new sleep mat, a saw, a torch, a knife, auntie. So what do you say to them? What do you say to them?
Thank you.
Yep, I'm sure you should.
Absolute tops.
And it's beautiful out here. Look a proper little camper, lad.